Yeah, no. So anyway, I went to the doctor's and he said he gave me some ointment and a couple of pills, so I'll be in about 2 weeks. So yeah, nothing to worry about. So. All right, man. Take care. I'll see you. Oh, is it on? Yeah. Anyways, so just came to the garage today to start a new project. I got a Wilwood big brake kit for an S10. What else did I get? Stainless steel brake lines to go with that. Got Motion Raceworks manual brake. Without further ado, I'll show you what comes in the kit, what you're gonna need to do. Had to go up to my buddy Dan's in Detroit to do some modifications for it. You could do it yourself, but if you got friends with the right tools, it's all the better. And here we go. Alright, so just got everything put together, and the next 5-6 minutes, I'm trying to keep it about 10 minutes to the video. We're gonna do some installation, and here's a few things that I've been doing in the meantime and a few problems I've ran into with this kit. So here I have the spindles. This was raw metal on some of the spindle, and I just didn't feel like putting that on my truck in raw form. So I grabbed some Duplicolor rust barrier. It's probably gonna come off 10 seconds after I tighten the nuts down, but I could sleep at night and feel a little better about it. Here's the Speedway versus the QA1 arms. QA's on the left, Speedway's on the right. You can see the differences, a little more stout. And we come over here and you can see that I have pretty much everything installed except for the caliper. I am running into a small issue. If you can see here, the castle nut is too small, and I've emailed QA1 to see how we can fix that problem. There's some people online that say use another washer, get a bigger castle nut, but paying $1,300, $1,400 for a kit, I think it should be, everything should be there, so we'll see how that goes. And as you can see, everything's pretty clean in there. I got everything ceramic coated just for easier cleaning. My buddy, he owns a detailing company, Alchemist Garage. Alchemist Garage, there you go. Maybe I can talk him into giving you guys a discount code so you guys can use it and use some of his products. He's a pretty cool guy. Alright, so I finished up installation on big brake kit. Kind of missed a few steps, but they're pretty simple if you can read the directions. I don't have to explain it to you. Turned out real well. Still have to move the brake line, kind of gets in the way of things. But only thing I didn't take into account was that the lug nuts that I'm currently using don't fit these, and I need to run specific 45 degree angle. Some people run whatever lug nut they want, but I like to deal with what the manufacturer says, so gotta figure out that. Here they are with the wheel on, plenty of clearance. Look really good back there. Fills it up real nice. I think the next video that I'm going to do will be switching out the brake booster over here to a manual brake boost with motion racework stuff, so stick around for that, and see you guys in the next video.